Hello everybody, it's Kitty, and this is a glorious day because the painting is done. My masterpiece. This will be the last paint by number videos for the cat painting, which has gotten very good reactions from my friends. I'm just going to give you the highlights of the painting process because a lot of the video was experimental. Karky kept messing with the settings on my phone as he took the video, and his thumb often appeared too. I gotta say that painting in the roses was really hard. Though I used the grid method, it wasn't that helpful. I just couldn't make sense out of all the abstract shapes, so I added a lot of errors. That being said, the result does look like roses from a distance. When you get up close, you can see that it's random splotches of paint, but it's still pretty impressive for my level of painting ability. The first color I painted was the black, which seems like the easiest color to start with. It's in the center of the roses, and I figured I could just radiate out from there. Once I painted in the black, I changed my mind about the next color, this maroon. I had to make a custom color in a plastic container to preserve it. Then I painted those areas. So far, so good. But I did want to see what a whole flower would look like before painting up the whole thing. So I painted in the bright red. And there's the flower without the petal highlights. All it's missing is the lighter shade. I'm gonna try pink, but I'm not so sure how that's going to work out. It's okay. It's not bright enough though. Let's compare and contrast the painted flower to the one on the screen. You know, the shape's looking pretty good, but it doesn't take an expert eye to spot some mistakes. Well, I worked on it, but I didn't take video. Halloween happened, and Karky and I came up with this awesome delinquent Barbie costume. Then I taught him how to grill stuff, and we went to an amusement park in December. And, of course, we made gingerbread houses and this scary cultist cookie that I'm very proud of. Then we got 2 cats, who were very helpful. Anyway, I got to filling in the rest of the roses, and I overpainted that dull pink color with an eye-popping metallic orange, contrasted by an eye-popping iridescent turquoise for the backdrop. I think I used that in the eyes. And then I hung it up on the wall and tried to get reactions. My friends are already asking if I can give it to them. So there we go. This is a definite improvement from the Beer Santa, with all of its small areas and abstract shapes. I think that the grid method had some drawbacks for people who aren't experts, such as myself. Karky took one look at my design, and he said, "There is no way I'm painting that. That is too hard." Though I was optimistic, I think that's probably true. For somebody who's just learned cursive, the motor control to paint these little areas was more than I thought it would be. I'm going to make a simpler paint by numbers for him, and then another bigger masterpiece on a 24 by 30 canvas because the art store was having a sale. And this one is going to be a photo composite done in GIMP, my first one. And it's going to be tacky. Now you know how to do this from start to finish using free software. You can make a paint by numbers from whatever photo you want. And if you do, please post it in the comments. I want to see it. Bye!